Hi, my name is Dr. Amin Alaidina. I'd like to welcome you to Bearspaw Dental Clinic. I'd like to introduce you to our staff.
Hi, I'm Shelley, the receptionist.
Hi, I'm Tammy, also a receptionist.
Hi, I'm Jennifer, registered dental hygienist.
Hey, I'm Holly. I'm a registered dental assistant.
And I'm Carla, also a registered dental assistant.
If you want to follow me this way, we'll give you a tour of our office. This is our hygiene operatory. All operatories have wireless headsets for you to watch television. Follow me right this way. This is our sterilization area. It's where we sterilize all our equipment. Make sure that everything's done properly. Over here we have our Pan-X machine. This one takes the x-ray that goes around your head and takes your whole jaw in picture. And last but not least, this is another doctor operatory and hygiene operatory.
I'm going to talk a little bit about the 3 key values of Bearspaw Dental Clinic. I'm Jennifer, the registered dental hygienist here, and the 3 key values that are really important to us are openness, transparency, and honesty. We demonstrate these key values by doing a very thorough exam with our patients. When patients are new to our clinic and they come in here, we ask them what their chief complaint is, if they have any concerns, questions, and then followed by some x-rays and some photographs. This is the camera that we use here to take the intraoral pictures. It's a little bit intimidating at first, but the patients really appreciate seeing the photographs when they are finished. I'll show you an example here of what this looks like. So these are the 6 photographs that we typically take on patients, and then we can show them exactly what we see in their mouth here. So this is an example of some teeth that needs a little bit of work, and the patient can see exactly what we're talking about. Makes the patient a little bit more comfortable knowing exactly what's going on in their mouth, and they really appreciate us taking the time to explain exactly what we see.
I'm here to talk to you about how kid-friendly and family-oriented our clinic is. I just want to bring your attention over here to a little kid play area, and they have a couple of toys that they can keep themselves entertained with. If that's not for them, they can color in our little area here. Once they're finished their artwork, we can put it on display on our wall of fame, and they can see that when they come back next time. At the end of their appointments, we do offer a coin for them, a little treat for them to go to the treasure tower. And then you can choose a prize over here.
They can spin the tower around. When they find the prize they want, put their token in, get their prize.
At our clinic, we are very accessible to wheelchairs, walkers. Our rooms are quite large, as you can see. Our chairs are very comfortable, and we have these arms that go down, which allow you to access the chairs a little easier. We like to take the time to get to know what your concerns are and really address your needs. A lot of seniors are concerned about cost, and we do take the time to work with your insurance and financial needs to make sure that you're satisfied and you get what kind of treatment you deserve.
If you have any questions or would like to come meet us, please come on by, or you can check out our website at bearspawdental.ca or give us a call at 780-436-7001. We look forward to meeting you.